In today's video, I'll be showing you two amazing moisturizing condition that you should try every month. Okay, so if this is what you're interested in, please stick around and watch the video to the end. So the first one is oatmeal. Okay, oatmeal deep condition. All right, this is packed with a lot of amazing benefits for your hair. Okay, so I'll be using oatmeal, honey, banana and coconut oil. So this is how we're going to be making a deep condition. So in a bowl, I'm going to be measuring my oatmeal by using this 1/3 cup, that is 83 ml. All right, so I will use it to measure the oatmeal I'm going to be using for today's recipe. If you are new to the channel, hi, welcome. My name is Naturally Jessie. Here I create a lot of amazing ingredients that's going to be beneficial for your hair. So I added water that I know that is going to cook the oatmeal. So make sure you cook your oatmeal to is very soft. Okay, when the oatmeal is very soft, you allow it to cool down before you blend and you strain. All right, besties, so I'm just going to be cooking this oatmeal for few minutes. When I've noticed that the oatmeal is soft and ready to eat, then it's time to blend it. So here the oatmeal is ready and it has cooled down. Okay, so it's this soggy kind of consistency. Then I'll add it in my blender and I'll add the rest of the ingredient, then also add a little bit of water so that it can blend easy. All right, besties, so in this same blender I'll also be adding in the banana as well. You can skip the banana if you don't have it. You can only use only the oatmeal. It's still gonna work well for you. Okay, so I'm done blending and I'm going to triple strain because I don't want any chaff when I'm applying this on my hair. The consistency is really easy. Okay, it's really nice. Like, it penetrates your hair so well and your hair is going to love it. If you're suffering from dry hair, okay, your hair is really dry, like when I say dry, I mean dry, use this. Your hair will be so moisturized and it will be very soft. Okay, it turns dry hair to very soft hair. So in case you are having a dry hair or you are in those weeks when you feel that your hair is dry, try this recipe and it's really amazing. All right, so I'll add in the honey and the coconut oil as well before we move into application. So I've mixed everything is all mixed well. So I'm transferring it into this applicator bottle for easier application. Okay, so if you've watched to this extent, thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed, please do well to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe. If you have not, share a beautiful comment. Let me know what's your intake about this particular recipe for your hair. Yeah, so I'm going to apply this on my hair. After application, you massage, and when you massage it, you allow your hair to sit for an hour. Okay, when your hair sits for an hour, you rinse it out and your hair will be super soft even the next day. Okay, because I did this on my hair and the next day my hair was so soft, was still soft. All right, so this is what my hair looks like and this is what my hair looks like after rinsing. Yeah, so my hair was so soft. I really enjoyed this particular deep condition. Give it a try and let me know in the comment section how it went for your own hair. If any hair texture can use this particular deep condition, it doesn't matter even if you are not 4C hair, any hair texture. So this is the next deep condition I'll be using, which is flaxseed and chai seed. Okay, I'm going to be cooking these two together before we move to the next step. Then here is the other ingredient you need as well. You need avocado. Okay, avocado is packed with amazing nutrients for your hair, so I'm using Jamaica black castor oil and almond oil. Okay, so in a pot you cook your flaxseed and chai seed. Okay, I use 1 teaspoon for each of these recipe. Add a little bit of water, make it to cook, and when you see that it has this jelly consistency, you know your flaxseed is ready. After that, you transfer it into a jar like this for blending. Okay, you put everything inside and you blend. So I'm done blending and it's time to strain. Okay, this one is a bit thicker than the oatmeal recipe. Okay, using these two recipes, your hair is going to gradually stay away from dryness. Okay, so if you are suffering from dry hair, try this moisturizing deep condition. Your hair is going to benefit, and also it has amazing benefit for hair growth as well, not only turning your hair from dry to moisturized hair. Okay, so it also have a lot of benefit for hair growth using all these ingredients. So I hope you try any of my recipe. Let me know what's your thought in the comment section. If you are going to be trying this, let me know, or if you have tried this before, let me know in the comment section. So I'm done squeezing the juice out, or what I call it, the deep condition. This is what we have. So I apply this on my hair. Do this on a wash day routine, whereby you know they are washing your hair. After washing your hair, you apply your deep condition. Allow this to sit in your hair for 1 hour. Okay, so you don't need to sit on a cap, a heat cap. Okay, just leave it to naturally heat on its own. That is why I say 1 hour. All right, I always do my wash day routine anytime I'm deep cleaning my house, so that it can sit for a longer time on my hair. All right, so this is what my hair looks like. After that, I wear in my cap, allow it to sit for 1 hour, and after 1 hour I rinse it out, and I don't need to apply any other condition after using this deep condition. Sometimes when you use some deep condition, you still need to add condition again, but this particular one has saved you time. You don't need to add another deep condition after using this one, either this avocado deep condition or the oatmeal deep condition. This two deep condition is really moisturizing, like really moisturizing. See, my coils is just giving. All right, I'm going to be rinsing this out, and that's it. The next day I did the rest of my hair care routine. Okay, so if you watched to this extent, thank you so much for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, share your beautiful comment. Let me know if you're going to be trying any of these. Rinse it out with warm water or cold water depending. Okay, so don't worry, you're not going to have any leave out, because you've already pressed the chaff out when we were pressing it out before. Okay, to get the juice. So I am done. This is what my hair is. My hair is giving. My hair felt really soft. Even the next day my hair was still soft. So that's how amazing this deep condition is. Okay, try anyone and your hair is going to love it. So I hope this video motivates you to try this video, to try the ingredients. Yeah, this is where I'll be joining out the cutting right now. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all my besties in my next one. Yeah, so we are on a 10 months mini braid challenge, almost 2 months to go to 1 year. So guys, I'll catch you guys later. Bye for now.